Hi everyone, welcome back to Printer Tales. Is your Epson printer showing an error 00041 and you can't figure out how to fix it? Usually the error comes due to paper jams or wrong installation of ink and drum toner. In today's video, I'll show you how to clear the error 00041 by solving those issues. For one-on-one assistance to fix the issue, please call us at the numbers displayed. Otherwise, let's start by checking for any jammed papers. Method 1. Check for jammed papers. First thing, unplug your printer, safety first. Next, take off the rear cover. Check the duplexer for any stuck papers. Next, inspect the printer itself for any jammed sheets. Once you're done checking, go ahead and put all the parts back together. Pull out the output tray so you've got better access. Lift the printer from either the left or the right side and check the bottom. Sometimes paper gets stuck down there. Bring the printer into the upright position and close the input tray. Next, place your fingers in the gaps on the both sides of the printer. Lift up the cartridge access door. Take a final look inside to ensure no papers are trapped. If removing the jammed papers cleared the error, please subscribe to our channel. If not, let's see if the ink cartridges are installed properly. Method 2. Reinstall the ink cartridges. First, turn on your printer. Open the document cover. Now, press the stop button for 10 seconds. Wait for the ink holder to come to the replacement position. Once the ink holder is in replacement position, take out all the ink cartridges individually. At last, insert the ink cartridges back. If you're facing any other problem with your Epson printer, please let us know in the comments. Now, if the error is still there, let's reinstall the drum toner. Method 3. Clean the printhead and ink cartridges. First, give a copy command to your printer. Then during the process, remove the power cord. Next, lift the top cover. Gently remove all the ink cartridges. Use a screwdriver to gently pull the top cover of the printhead from both the left side and the right side. Note, don't harm the tape attached to the chip behind the plate. Open all the screws. Now, carefully take out the printhead. Note, don't harm the tape attached to it. Gently tug out the cable attached to the chip. Gather a lint-free cloth, a plastic box, isopropyl alcohol, and some warm water. Put a 50-50 mixture of isopropyl alcohol and warm water in the box, enough to soak the printheads. Place the printhead into the solution box for about 2 minutes. Now, take the printhead out and rub it onto the lint-free cloth until it is completely dry. Place the ink cartridges printhead into the solution box for about 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, take the ink cartridges out, rub them onto the lint-free cloth from the top to bottom until they are completely dry. Note, make sure the ink cartridges are releasing the ink perfectly without any breaks in the line. If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet,
You can let us know in the comments section.